We accompanied the client on a tour of our roller machining workshop. The client observed multi-turn induction heating technology for rolls and witnessed hardness testing using a durometer. The roll surface hardness was 62 HRC and the roll neck hardness was 32 HRC. The client expressing satisfaction with the test results. Additionally, the client visited the CNC lathe machining of rolls and praised our processing techniques. Furthermore, they observed the roll sleeve and roll core. They thought our composite rolls could cut costs effectively.